LED light therapy mask. You're gonna open up the top, and inside the top of the lid, it tells you how to use it. It has 5 different steps how to wear it, also the straps, so it kind of breaks it down for you. Very beautiful mask. I'm so excited to use it. And take it out here. This is how the face mask looks. It also has the little USB here connected to it. When you turn it on the other side, this is how you would wear it on your face. This is where all of the LED lighting is placed. Inside the box, under the mask, we have 4 straps. You would need these to put the mask on. We have a little remote control here to turn the settings. We will go through that soon. Another LED, and also a book to show you all of the instructions on how to use the mask. This little USB cord that is connected to the mask, you're just going to put it right here into the remote. On the remote, it has the different settings, the 4 different settings, and also you can do manual or audio. When it first comes on, it goes to the red one. This is the one that I'm going to be using the most because red light is really, really good for your skin. And we have the blue, and we have the T-zone areas. Then we have mixed with the red and the blue together. I'm going to show you guys how I use it. You have to start off with clean skin. So I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off, and I'm going to cleanse, and then I'm going to stop there. You're not supposed to do red light with any other products on your face. So you're supposed to do this before your skincare. That is very, very important for you guys to know. I don't want you to make your discoloration worse or your acne or anything like that. So just make sure that you are reading the instructions. My skin is clean. I'll have the straps on here. I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to strap the top. I'm going to strap the sides. It's very convenient. I can just pop the little remote control right on me, and I can continue to make my bed, put up dishes, do whatever I need to do. So we're gonna go ahead and set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, so my 10 minutes are up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. My skin is dry. Now you will continue with your skincare. Before we get into the skincare part of this video, I want to thank DermRays for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love the mask. I will be trying this mask out for 4 weeks so that we will be able to tell a difference. This is my skin before, and I will show you guys after the 4 weeks. I will follow up with an updated video. Again, DermRays, thank you guys so much for being awesome and gifting me this LED therapy light mask. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to see what my results are.